This question is asking us to determine if the triangles are similar or not. And to determine if triangles are similar or not, we could use three different theories. The first one's going to be side, side, side. A second is angle, angle. And a third is side, angle, side. And if you could look at part A and B here, you see that each of the triangles have all three sides. So the theory that we're going to go with is side, side, side. Now it might work and it might not. So if we look at part A, we're given a triangle ABC, and then we're given triangle DEF here. And we want to start matching up corresponding sides. So what I normally like to do is take the smallest side of the first triangle. So the smallest side in this one right here is going to be 2. And I divide that by the smallest side over here, which is going to be 4. I'm going to reduce that, so 2 divided by 4 is going to be 0.5. Then I would take the next largest side. In this case, it's going to be 3.95. So I write that down, and I divide it by the next largest side in this triangle to the right, which is 7.9. If I divide these, the decimal that I get is a 0.5. Lastly, I'm going to take the biggest length over here, which is 5. I divide it by the biggest length over here, which is 10. 5 divided by 10 is going to be 0.5. And as you can see, all the corresponding sides have the same number. I have 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. So we could say that these two triangles are similar by side, side, side. In the similarity statement that we could write is triangle ABC is similar to, now you have to match up all the corresponding points. So A will match up with D. So then I do triangle D, and then A goes to B, and B matches up with E, so that goes to E there. And then the last one is C and F, so this last one is going to be F. So that would be my similarity statement. In part B, we have all three sides of each of these triangles, so we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to start with my lowest number here to the left, which is 3, and I divide it by the lowest number on my right, which is 4. So 3 divided by 4 is going to be 0.75. Then I take my next number up, which is going to be 4, and I divide that by my middle number here, which is 10, and I'm going to get 0.4 here. So right away you see that 0.75 is obviously not the same as 0.4, so there's no way that these triangles can be similar, because if we continue to do the third fraction, there's no way that all three could be the same, because we already have two that are not the same right here. So they're not going to be similar triangles. And as a reason, I can say corresponding sides are not in proportion. If they were, then they would be similar.